Philip from Point Comfort has a question about exterior paints.
And he's looking for your suggestions on this one, Tom. Philip writes, we live 60 feet off Lavaca Bay. 60
cool.
feet.
I like that. Exactly.
That's a lot of fun. Our house is only 6 years old, and it's showing a lot of fade. So what should I be using this close to salt water that'll give me at least 10 years of paint? Oil, latex, what about color?
We're always going to use a latex. Fading is because of the color. It has nothing to do with the salt or the ocean. It's the sun, and it's very intense out there. And if you think about it, 60 feet, that sun's hitting that water and then bouncing even more intensely onto that. The best color you can use when it comes to keeping the fading from going down is a yellow or off-white with a yellow tint, just to keep that kind of color. That's always best. If you get into custom colors, and I used to do this in my beach house, it was great paint. I used a Manor Hall at the time, but the coral color would fade to bright pink after a while. So people, oh, you got the pink house?
Well, either way, it looks nice on the beach.
Yeah, well, it matched, and I was fine with it. But if you get into custom colors, the colors won't hold up in that kind of sun. So what I would tell you is this: get a good paint and a good exterior paint, whether it's Sherwin-Williams, Pittsburgh, there's a bunch of them out there. Get their top of the line. Pick one of their colors that they have already done the research on. Don't custom make your color. For the outside, it's going to be probably a self-priming latex paint. That means 2 coats. First coat's the primer, second coat's the top coat. And try to get into an off-white yellow. Don't get into any intense colors because they will fade because of the sun.
So that second coat really makes a difference.
What's going to give it the longevity. But color retention is different. People want to do custom colors just like I did, and you want to do dark colors and stuff, they will fade.
2 coats, standard color, latex.
Yeah, top of the line.
Not cheap.
No, but no paint's cheap anymore. You can't buy the cheap paints anymore.
I'm sure you can.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
The market's gone. Monarch is gone. All those people are gone.
Oh, well, that's good.
People quit buying them. They were tired of it.
All right.
So
there you go.
There you go.
Well, you know what you can get for free? That's right. Send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them right here, just like these videos over there. And you hit that subscribe button, and we'll let you know when we post new ones.